Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Totola. Are you currently placing zirconia restorations? Of course you are. That's a dumb question. I don't even know why I asked that. Well, since you are currently placing zirconia restorations, I've got a holiday gift for you from our good friends at Ivoclar Vivadent, and this is their Zirconia Cementation Kit, and it's available to you free of charge. All you have to do is go to the website ivoclarvivadent.us/speedsem-plus and choose one of two options. Option number one is to have your friendly local Ivoclar Vivadent rep bring the kit to your office and make sure that you and your staff know how to use everything inside of it. Option number two is to sign up for my online webinar, Optimizing Zirconia Cementation. And at the end of that webinar, you'll be given directions on how to have this kit sent directly to your office. So again, simply go to ivoclarvivadent.us/speedsem-plus and you'll be well on your way to optimizing your zirconia restorations. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and take a closer look what's inside the Zirconia Cementation Kit. So the first thing you notice is just how nice the boxing is on the Zirconia Cementation Kit. Nice magnetic flap. Most companies, when they give you samples, it's a couple syringes thrown in a Ziploc bag. But not here. This is actually very, very high-end, just the box itself and, of course, the products too. So let's take a look. We've got Optragate, the SpeedSem Plus, and the Optragloss. We'll take a look at these one at a time. We'll start with the Optragate. Optragate goes along with the concept of relative isolation, and that is when we want to have isolation for something like cementing a zirconia crown, but we don't want to do a full rubber dam. So we're going to get good effective relative isolation due to the enlarged treatment field because of how this retracts lips and cheeks without needing a hand to hold it there. It's time saving because it's very quick to place and it makes for relaxed working, less stressful, very comfortable for the patient because of the flexibility and the multiple sizes. There's a junior size that comes in here with your samples as well. So you have a variety of sizes to try with the Optragloss when you receive your sample kit. So you can do it on some different patients. We've got the SpeedSem Plus. Let's take a look at this. So we've got the cement itself, the SpeedSem Plus. So this is an excellent self-cure resin cement. I mean, it's dual cure as well, but it'll cure in the dark, which is nice. So it's perfect for opaque restorations like zirconia oxide, where we worried that we can't cure through it. It's got the 10-MDP molecule, which is a zirconia primer right in the cement, so you don't need to use a separate zirconia primer with zirconia crowns. And it's got easy cleanup, and it's got the best radio opacity of any cement in its class, and it also comes with the liquid strip, the liquid glycerin. This is going to assure the complete cure of the entire thickness of the resin cement at the margin. So we get rid of the oxygen inhibited layer by placing the liquid glycerin on the cement and curing through it. And that's going to make sure that our margin doesn't break down from that air inhibited layer. We won't get staining or accidentally remove any more cement than we wanted to. And if we lift up here underneath, we can see our little surprise is the jar of the bottle of Ivoclar. And this is what's going to decontaminate a zirconia crown, remove the saliva from the inside of the crown surface. It works for zirconia. It works for lithium disilicate like IPS Emax and other traditional ceramics. Simple to use. Shake it up, place it, wait 20 seconds, and then rinse it off the crown. So that's nice that all three of those come in the SpeedSem Plus kit. And last but not least, we have the Optragloss, and this is really nice because this is a truly universal polishing system. And what I mean by that is these are the first polishers that I've ever used that work just as well on composite materials as they do all crown materials and other ceramics. Plus, you don't need any polishing paste, so you don't have that flying around the patient's mouth. And there's only 2 steps needed to polish a zirconia crown, for example. You do the finishing with the dark blue and then the polishing with the light blue. Or if you're just going to polish the margin of a crown after using the SpeedSem Plus, you can just use one step with the light blue and not worry about the dark blue. And so it's really nice that it is truly a universal polishing set because you can use it for everything. Indirect composites, direct composites, zirconia crowns, lithium disilicate crowns, you name it. So all of these come in the Ivoclar Vivadent Zirconia Cementation Kit. So make sure you go to ivoclarvivadent.us/speedsem-plus and pick whatever option you want to get your kit today.